Tezos value forecast is one of the most well-known search terms since XTZ unleashed devastation among crypto bears over the most recent few months. Before we plunge into the stray pieces of this Tezos cost expectation, we should rapidly check what's really going on with XTZ. Tezos introduction. Tezos is a novel blockchain, another Ethereum executioner that was first proposed in a paper delivered in August 2014 with additional particulars reported in a white paper delivered in Sept. 2014. The Tezos blockchain is planned with an emphasis on chain administration, permitting token holders to decide in favor of proposed changes to usefulness to try not to fork the organization. In 2015, the pioneers, Kathleen and Arthur Breitman, laid out an organization called Dynamic Record Arrangements, which was liable for composing the underlying code for Tezos. At the center of this codebase is a self-revising convention, a framework to formalize proposing, deciding in favor of, and carrying out changes to the usefulness of the organization. When a proposition has been made, holders of Tezos tokens can cast a ballot with a weighting of 1 vote for each token. Tezos blockchain utilizes a changed rendition of a designated verification of stake framework where stakers, called pastry specialists inside the organization, can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. In Tezos' more fluid DPoS framework, clients can delegate tokens to DO punchers without moving proprietorship. Compensations for approving blocks are conveyed to DO punchers as new XTZ tokens, with a corresponding measure of the prize circulated to wallets that have designated tokens to the pastry specialist. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to take part in the approval process on the off chance that they hold not exactly the necessary add-up to turn into a full cook. Our XTZ token value expectation for 2023. It is very evident that digital currency value expectations ought to be thought about while taking other factors into consideration. However, there are elements to pay special attention to that will without a doubt have a heading on the future cost of the more extensive cryptographic money market. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in ruling digital currency markets, the level of digital money reception in the approaching year and past, the level of development in the digital money fates market, the utility of tokens, and the capacity of the hidden innovation to take care of true issues. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0210 plus 0.54% $1 21 2023 02 11 plus 8.19% $1 30 2023 02 12 plus 1.72% $1 22 2023 02 13 plus 5.90% $1 27 2023 02 14 1.88% $1 18 2023 02 15 plus 3.30% $1 24 2023 02 16 plus 0.46% $1 21 2023 02 17 plus 5.29% $1 27 2023 02 18 plus 0.48% $1 21 2023 02 19 plus 2.59% $1 23 2023 02 20 1.82% $1 18 2023 02 21 plus 7.37% $1.29 with respect to XTZ. The prevalence of their marking component and its job as a cost driver can't be sufficiently underscored. This is the significant positive cost force for Tezos as increasingly more digital currency trades branch out into marking as administration. Tezos is routinely the main coin that is presented as a marking item. Coinbase, however, Sex.io and presently Binance have all entered this area of crypto industry, and every one of them currently offer Tezos as the first marking coin on their foundation. High expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 1.83% $1.18. 2023 APRA 9.19% $1.09. 2023 May plus 0.67% $1.21. 2023 June plus 7.39% $1.29. 2023 July plus 15.89% $1.39. 2023 Aug plus 25.54% $1.51. 2023 SEP plus 22.70% $1.47. 2023 OP plus 37.87% $1.66. 2023 NA plus 40.56% $1.69. 2023 DEC plus 46.57% $1.76. 2024 JAN plus 51.71% $1.82. 2024 Feb plus 57.50% $1.89. XTZ value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees XTZ coming to $12.38 in 2025. What will XTZ be worth in 5 years? The cost of XTZ in 5 years could lie around $2.90. Tezos value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Tezos will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Tezos coming to $30.95 in 2030. What Tezos will be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees Tezos coming to $61.91 in 2040. Will Tezos supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Tezos won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Is Tezos worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Tezos merits purchasing. Is Tezos a wise speculation? Tezos is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Tezos be worth? For the momentary future,